Installing the water loop. If necessary, remove the plastic grease covers from the water loop. Replace all the putty pads, and then check the gap pads and replace any that are damaged or missing. The gap pads are shown in grey, and the putty pads are shown in yellow. Carefully position the water loop onto the 3 guide pins, and then gently lower the water loop to ensure it is seated firmly on the system board. Fully unfasten the 2 captive thumb screws located at each end of the water loop carrier. Unfold and install the other side of the water loop. Fasten the processor cold plate screws with a Torx screwdriver following the sequence specified on the processor cold plate label. Move the latches that separates the shipping bracket from the processors. Unfasten the water loop carrier screws. Carefully lift each water loop carrier up and away from the water loop. Fasten the water loop screws and quick connect screws. Fasten the 10 Torx T10 screws to secure the quick connect. Check the gap pad on the front side of the water loop and then, if necessary, install the rest of the components. Install the tray cover.